So in this video, we're going to talk about 50 harmonic pattern, its types, and in the end, we're also going to go through example on the chart so that you can understand it clearly. Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, we're going to talk about 50 harmonic pattern. So first of all, we need to understand what is 50 harmonic pattern. It is a pattern. It's basically a five-way pattern that represents the trend reversal, okay, and it basically also represents the end of a retracement move on the charts. So all the waves in the 50 harmonic pattern are based on specific Fibonacci ratios, okay, and this pattern also shows the break of trend by formation of lower low or higher high. That's a symbol of basically a trend reversal. So if we go into its types, there are basically two types of 50 harmonic pattern, okay. The first one is bullish 50 harmonic pattern and the second one is bearish 50 harmonic pattern. So first we're gonna go through the bullish 50 harmonic pattern, okay, and in order to understand it, I have also written the rules that are required for us to follow, the rules that we need to follow if we want to spot a valid 50 harmonic pattern. So here are the rules that we need to follow, the rules for bullish 50 harmonic pattern, in which the first rule is that 0xa is an initial wave, okay, pattern starts after this wave. So if we go here to our drawing, we can see that this basically here is 0xa wave, okay, and our harmonic pattern starts after this wave. So this is our first rule that we have detected here. And our second rule says that AB wave must be between 1.13 and 1.618 retracement of XA wave. So as I just said in the beginning, that 50 harmonic pattern is based on specific Fibonacci ratios, okay. So let me go towards the drawing and show you what this rule means, that our AB wave must be between 1.13 and 1.618 retracement. So let me go here and let me get the retracement tool. So if I draw here, if I draw the retracement, we can see that the AB wave or this B point is at the extension of at the 1.618 level of this XA wave extension, okay. So here we can see that this line is meeting, this 1.618 line is also meeting the B point, and this is also represented here between XB with 1.618 Fibonacci level, okay. So this is our second rule. We need to draw a Fibonacci extension from X to A, and the 1.618 level should be matching or almost matching, or it should be approximately close to 1.618 level, okay. This AB wave should be approximately close to this 1.618 level. So now let's go towards the third rule. So the third rule says BC wave must be between 1.618 to 2.24 retracement of AB wave. So now we need to get the Fibonacci tool and draw an extension here, okay. So let me just get that Fibonacci tool, and if I draw here from A to B, okay, then we will be able to see that this BC wave is at a Fibonacci level of almost 2.24, which is below basically 2.618, okay. So the rule said that our BC wave must be between 1.618 to 2.24, okay. So here we can see that it is at 2.24, which is a valid point, okay. So this BC point or this BC wave is a valid wave. And then if we go towards the fourth rule, which says CD wave must retrace to 0.5 of BC. So let me just go here and show you what this means, and let me just remove this. So if I draw from here to here, if I draw Fibonacci retracement from here to here, we can see that this CD wave is at 0.5 retracement of this BC wave, so which also fulfills our third rule, or it is valid according to our rules. So this whole pattern is basically a 50 harmonic pattern, and what this represents is whenever we see the market going bearish and we spot this pattern, it means that there's a higher probability of the trend reversal. Okay, the trend is gonna get reversed. So this is the first type of 5-0 harmonic pattern. The second type is the bearish 5-0 harmonic pattern. So in bearish 5-0 harmonic pattern, all the rules stay the same, only the direction gets reversed. So the rules that were valid or that we use in bullish 5-0 harmonic pattern will also be used as same in the bearish harmonic pattern, only the directions will be different. Okay, so now let's go towards the example of 5-0 harmonic pattern on the charts. So when we go down the charts, we can see that here I have already drawn an example, so I'm just gonna go through it so that you can understand it. So according to our first rule, which said that the 0xa wave is an initial wave and pattern starts after this wave. So here we can see that this 0xa is basically our initial wave. Okay, and the second rule said that AB wave must be between 1.13 and 1.618 retracement of the XA wave. So if we draw the Fibonacci retracement from X to A, we can see that this B point or AB wave is basically at 1.13, which is according to our rule, because the second rule says that the AB wave must be between 1.13 and 1.618 retracement of XA wave. So this is basically at the B point is at 1.13. Okay, and then the third rule said that BC wave must be between 1.618 to 2.24 retracement of AB wave. Okay, so let me just remove this and let me just draw the Fibonacci here. So if I draw from A to B, and let me just extend this so that you can understand. So our second rule or third rule said that BC wave must be between 1.618 to 2.24. So this here is just above 1.618 and it is definitely below 2.24. So this BC wave is between the retracement of 1.618 to 2.24 of AB wave. So our third rule is also fulfilled. Okay, so now we need to check the last rule that said that CD wave must retrace to 0.5 of BC. So now let me remove this, and if I draw from here to here, then we can see that it is going just below 0.5. Okay, it is the retracement here of BC wave is just below 0.5, which so you will never be able to match the exact values. You just have to take approximations here. Okay, so here we can see that it is approximately the retracement here, the CD retracement is approximately at a level of 0.5 of BC wave. Okay, so which is a valid point. So all our rules that we have discussed are fulfilled here, and this is basically our valid 5-0 harmonic pattern. So as I said in the beginning that this is basically a bullish harmonic pattern. Okay, bullish reversal harmonic pattern. So if I go here, we can see that the price was going down, but after the formation of this 5-0 harmonic pattern, the price went up. So this here is the reversal that happened here. Okay, after the formation of this, we can see that the price is going up. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, I'll put the link to our Telegram channel. You can join it for free, and in which we post regular educational stuff related to Forex and price action. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.